Many English learners get confused between during and while. They both talk about time, but they are used in very different ways. In this video, I will explain during versus while. I divided this video into four parts. First, meaning and example. Second, key differences. Third, cues time. Fourth, easy trick. Back to my channel, Upgrade English Pro. So let's start with during. During, we use during to say that something happens at the same time as an event. So during is followed by noun, not a verb. So let's understand by some examples. Number one, during the movie. He was sleeping during the movie. Second, during the class. Please keep quiet during the class. So common mistakes with during. During I was sleeping, while I was sleeping. Here is a common mistake. You cannot say during I was sleeping because during cannot be followed by sentence or verb sleeping. It must be followed by noun. Now let's talk about while. We use while to connect two actions at the same time. While is followed by subject and a verb. So let's understand by some examples. Number one, while I was sleeping, my phone rang while I was sleeping. Second example, while she was cooking, she was tasting food while she was cooking. While they were playing, it was raining while they were playing. So in all three examples, always two actions are happening at same time. Let's understand the key differences between during and while. So the main difference is very simple. Use during before noun. Use while before sentence. You can say subject and verb. So let's have a quick quiz time. Choose while or during. Number one, I fell asleep dash the movie. The lights went out dash we were watching TV. Please do not talk dash the meeting. So let's find the answers. Number one, I fell asleep during the movie. The answer is during. Second, the light went out while we were watching TV. The answer is while. Third, please do not talk during the meeting. The answer is during. Here, an easy trick to remember during versus while. During, we use before noun, while we use before action. If this video helped you, like and share it, subscribe for more easy English lessons. Thank you.